Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create and add a new work item state in your projects on Plane Project Management app. So let us dive into this. So guys, let me navigate to this project here inside that workspace and let me navigate to work items. So let me explain really quickly what these states are. States are basically the statuses you can assign your tasks, work items to, like to do, progress done, cancelled, complete, and so on and so forth. And you can create new ones or customize and edit these, but we want to show you how to edit these in a separate tutorial. So let us focus on creating these statuses or states. What you need to do, guys, is access your project settings. To do that, click into that gear icon in the bottom left. After that, navigate to projects. And here click into states. And what you want to do after that is simply take a look at the states to the right. So these will be the default states, and you can, for example, select or choose between these already created ones by Plane and make them a default. For example, if you don't like completed, you can switch to done and simply mark them as default, or vice versa. If you'd like to create a new one, guys, for example, for, let's say, in progress, simply click into that plus button here, give your new state a name, like, for example, I don't know, under review or something like that. You may describe it below and simply click into create here. You may also assign a custom color. I will leave it at the same color as other statuses in that category here that are pretty similar. So click into create. And now you can use it, for example, to assign your tasks and work items to them in your list. And that's basically it, guys. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.